Alright, here we are on the front repair. Same thing here. It looks like maybe this shingle had been replaced previously, and where a lot of that damage occurred was above and around where the repair was performed. And so we pop that off there. Now, to help prevent and protect here, nice little hit there. You can tell this one has been glued down, given some extra glue. I do my best to prevent and but in order to get to those shingles, we are going to have to pop off this ridge. And leery. As it can be. Sometimes a little feel. As to protect the ridge as much as we can. Just being nice and easy so we can get that shingle replaced. Now, out. high boot. Right there. Got it right there. And as you can see, there, that was that hit from before. But tearing into that ridge is going to be awfully difficult, and there's quite a few that they're on the ridge, as well as with the slopes that have been approved for replacement. You can see that one's damaged there. That one's starting to crack there. That there's lots here as well. So all in all, as well, the shingles are repaired, but in so doing, it's starting to crack, and those shingles are starting to lose